Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can easily add new incoming emails, how you can add new emails to a Google Sheet spreadsheet as a new row. We're going to use make.com, so what you want to do is just scroll down below to the description of this video and click on link. When you'll do it, you'll get to right here make.com sign up. And make.com is an amazing tool that is going to help us connect with multiple applications and integrate them. And what you want to do is when you're going to sign up, you're going to be here in templates. So you want to go and click here on templates, and then you're going to have the add new incoming emails to Google spreadsheet. So you want to open it. And it doesn't matter whatever email you have. So you're going to create a new scenario from this template, and then you're going to choose account here. So you would add if it's a Google restricted or other IMAP connection and what kind of provider you have, right? So you need to add a server, a port, a username, password, and you can have like Google restricted here or others. So you would fill everything here. Then you would also connect to Google Sheets account. So when you would have, I don't know what kind of server you have, what kind of port you have, and from kind of what email you're actually using. But this is the best way how we can connect the email with Google Sheets. So then when you would have it, you choose account. Then you have criteria here, right? So criteria, all emails, only read emails, only unread emails. You would fill it right here. And then how many results you want. My recommendation for the beginning, have a few. And then you would press continue. So that's what you can do. And in a moment when you're going to have the step 1, then when you would connect your account, you have to connect also the Google Sheets account. And then when you're going to connect both of them, you would come here to scenarios. And scenarios, you're going to have like your scenario. This is just the example, and you can always run it once. So this is a testing, and then how often you want to run it, every day, days of the week, days of the month, at regular intervals, and you would choose it right here. So that's pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. And this is how you can easily add new incoming emails to Google Sheets spreadsheet as a new row. When you're going to add an email here, you would find it straight away here. So yeah, thank you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.